data file. It can accommodate in TVs. That's called big file table space. That will be mostly used in Exadata servers and data warehouse will be the right for storing the huge data Hadoop environment. So in that cases, we will be using the big file table space. It will be having more data. So that is why they will use big file. We can create in terabyte with only one data file. No need to add much
Okay.
else there.
So I mean the way we have this data file in GB, we can have in TV also, or
Yeah, TV.
even bigger.
Correct, correct. And that too, you will be creating only one data file. You will not add if it gets full. You can in normal we'll add one more data file, right? If it
Yeah,
gets
yeah.
full. But in
Hmm.
this file there is no provision or no option to add. For the existing one, will increase. That's it. They will be having only one data file, one table space will increase. I will show you some
Okay, so
examples.
existing would be altered.
Yeah, existing will be altered. I did them in my environment. I will show you some example. Yeah, yeah. You can share.
And your recording is this
Cat SID. SID. Yeah, yeah. Both. Okay. Equals to equals to. What is the database name? Okay, system. Give system. Okay, enter. Now you connect as this DBA. No, no, that's SQL plus slash as is DBA. Yeah, all lowercase only. Usually, how you connect is the same thing. You do space slash space as is DBA. Yeah, now you connect. Is it the system is the database name? Okay, Control C. Give Control C. Enter. Uh, okay. Have you given any password? Okay. Otherwise, TNS ping. TII TNS PING. All small. Ping. PING ping. Yeah. No space. No space. Yeah. No. 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 Now give space. Give system. Types with system. Enter. Yeah. Give. Yeah. Yeah. I can see. But uh, go to that path. Use the parameter file path is there. C app del product 21 C home up to admin. Yeah. I think you are giving some wrong there. So I just want to check with you. You will also come to know. Yeah. Dell, alright. Dell product 21. You installed 21, Oracle 21 version? 21 is oh, great. Then product.
You can copy the whole path from here, no?
Yeah. Just select and give right click. Okay. Go there and paste. Yeah. Just take that uh, listener file. Open the listener. Yeah. TNS file. Right click. Open with notepad. Yeah. Notepad. Replace anything. Your database name is XE, not
That's
system.
E. Yeah.
Yeah, that is why it is being the it is not unable to find that. Okay, now you said that one. No, just Suresh, wait. Use use up arrow. It will come. Arrow must be there, right in keypad. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Okay. XE. XE. Right, that's it. Enter. Okay, now again escape plus. You can use the upper arrow or anything. DB. Yeah. Now you click right. Yeah. Okay, now you just while creating the user, have you specified any default table space for that user? So, okay. So, if you are creating that one like that, so what is what? Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, have you specified the table space as user? No, not required, not required. If you are creating any table space without specifying the user, by default it will take user table space only. That is what I am trying to say. If you want to store the data in different table space other than user table space, then you need to alter. Yeah, you need to alter the user to set the default table space to something. Yeah. Okay. And see here, yesterday we discussed the TNS thing. So now what you said previously, you gave the set Oracle SAD as system, but there is no database name or instance running with system. Correct. So it is not trying to it is not allowed to connect to database. Right. So now you check this TNS name.ora file, you come to know that the correct TNS name file. Now you go once
Your voice is not coming, Srikanth.
okay, we have power cut here. Okay. Give exit once. Exit from the system. Now give TNS ping XE. Yeah, yeah. See, now it is giving the host name, protocol. Correct. Yeah, yeah. So once you do only, yeah, once you do a package, correct. Can you give, yeah, give ls nrctl or
So,
N- nr, no space, only single word. CTL, not N, L for learning. No, that's it. Space, status. Yeah, give enter. Welcome. as we discussed right on that day, the listener who listens the user request from the server side and allocates some process to do their work, right? So this is the listener. So it will give what happens once you give ls and ctl start. Instead of status, give start. Stop and start. This is your own system, right? Your okay, so person. Okay, give stop one. Yeah, then start. After it gets
Let it come.
why it is saying, is your system having much load? Ran out of memory maybe. So that is why it's taking time. Yeah, try, but it is
No,
giving error.
no, not a start. It should be, yeah, I no such file directory.
Okay, we'll see. We'll go to that after this one. Yeah, go to that TNSS file. What it gave? To open. Due to that, go to that admin path. There is one listener file is there. Close this one. Uh, okay, open that with notepad. Device service listener XE. Go down. Is there anything down? Okay. Come to command prompt. It is giving. Let me see. Come to command prompt. Set that again. Oracle underscore SID. Give XE equals
Equal to
uh, LSNRCTL small lowercase. No, LSNRCTL CTL control, yeah. Space listener, right? Listener LIS uppercase LISTENER LISTENER space status, no, space status. Uh, oh, yeah. But with the business status only, it should return. Why it is? Uh,
now we can check in all the processes if the process is running or not. Get underscore process or something.
in
I'm not
Windows,
sure about the Windows command.
yeah, I am also not sure that it is. Okay, okay, remove the default is not there. Okay, remove all just to give DESC. Uh, Otherwise, write new command. Yeah, remove from. Okay, remove all. Yeah, remove from there. Only key. Give, yeah, give backspace. Give backspace. Remove from also. Okay. DESC. DESC. Yeah, yeah, describe. Okay. All underscore users. Let's check whether it has a. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. DB underscore users. Describe DB underscore users. DBA. It is having default table space, right? Okay. Give upper again. Here you give instead of all, you give DBA.
Shrikant, I have a question.
Okay.
Yeah, what is the difference between this all users and DBA users?
Yeah, you can just go Amit. Okay. Suresh, be there only. So this is okay. I already queried. Okay. One more time, you just enter that use up arrow the description command. Describe one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Enter. See, Amit, here
Hmm.
you are given the DB underscore years, right? These are system tables where it store the system related data. Means data about, as for example, you created now Suresh created one user, correct? But he
Hmm.
don't know what is the username and what is the table space is, if it is created with the table name. So to retrieve that one, here we have the there is one as we check the DB underscore users, from there you will come to know the what is the username and what is the account status means that it is open or locked, and what is the password and the default table space when it will expire and when it is created, what is the profile for that one. So all this information will be stored in the system table. See, as we discussed, right, system table space, sysac table
Hmm.
space. So those will maintain all this data to help the users to get a result about the data about data, right? So this is called data about data. And DBA underscore all underscore users give some other data. Just describe all underscore users. Yeah, enter. Give enter. Not required. See, this will give username and user ID when it is created and Oracle maintain inherited. This will not use much. So like that, if for our means if you want to retrieve something data, so you will use these tables to retrieve the. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? So you see what are the columns it is there. So these tables will be used to retrieve the data about the in the system which is stored. No, if you for example, now I ask you the question: what is the username? What user you created yesterday and which table space you specified and when it is created. If I ask you the question, how you will
Hmm.
know? You don't know, right? So from this table you will come to know. So this is the user. At this time it is created, and this is the default table space. Now you give the select uh, username, comma table default underscore table space username. This is called metadata. Data about the data. So from here you will get the data, comma default underscore table space from DB underscore users. Okay, give enter. Give set lines 200. Yes, not required. Okay, give enter. and column COL. Wait. Okay. What we have? 37, right? Go up. And one more you can take. Give up arrow, the select command. Here you may, after default table space, give comma, space created. Okay. Comma created. Okay. Enter. Today, yesterday, you go up. So you means you know you have not created any table, any not table means you have not created any user. So you have only set the password for system user and created some table, I guess, correct? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, now you see he Amit, you understand, right?
Hmm.
So he assumed that he created some user and created some tables, but from this you will come to know there is no that table as there is no user created yesterday. So all are seeing 21 September. Yeah, correct. Yeah, yeah, now, yeah, correct. Now you connect to system user. From here connect CONN. Oh, no, from here also you can connect CONN. Okay. Space system. Yeah, slash password or you can give after the password. Password. Enter. Now okay. Already having table site. Okay. No. This is not required. You already know what is the username, what is the user. Now you will come to what is the table you created yesterday, right? Okay. So for that, when it is created, for that one, just give describe DESC, DB underscore tables, DBA, DB underscore DBA table. Okay. Give enter. Go what? No, just go up. No, not required. Not required. Just scroll up. Okay. Here you see take owner table name and come down. Is there any created down, down, down? Uh, there is no creator value, right? Okay. Give select or the table underscore name, right? Table underscore name and what else? It is there. Yeah, comma owner. It is already a system, but you can give owner. Yeah, owner. From db underscore tables. How many rows it has? Oh, okay. So do you remember any the table name? Employee. Okay. Select to start from EMP. Okay. Mm, so what I'm trying to do in the school. Just scroll up in the previous command. No. in the screen. Yeah, go up, go up. What I am trying to find is go up. Okay, okay. Go up. Hmm. It's having lots of. See, these are the system tables actually. So you should not use the system one. You should create the separate one. So okay, you understand right now? You go. Mm, okay, if it is not coming, leave it. Okay, leave it. Now you just uh okay. You give enter once. Give up arrow again. Where is this? Select star from command is there, is not showing here. Down. Okay. EMP up. Select star from EMP. Okay. Enter. Three rows are there, right? Okay. You just give the db underscore directories will create system you will have. Okay. Okay, right. Select star from db underscore directories. Yesterday we check, right, for taking the back directory TORIES. RIES. Okay, enter. Set lines 300. Okay. 200. Okay. Enter. You have removed the pages. Right? Go up. Okay. Same dump dir. That is the path. Wait. Okay. Now what we will do? We'll try to export the database. Okay. You exit. Now see. Give expdp. Yesterday we tried, right? So if you do right, you will know means how to do what. If you get any errors, so what we getting correct. So if you practice, then only you will you will understand more, and you will be feel comfortable. Correct. Hello, Amit. Okay, expdp. Okay, space. What else you do you remember? What else we specify here?
User and password.
Yeah, username. Give system. No. Wait. Slash password slash forward slash. Yeah. Do you remember anything yesterday? Directory. Yeah, directory. Directory name. Directory equals to right TORY only. Okay, equals to take uh give just go up. It is there in the screen. Just scroll up using mouse. Yeah, data pump dir. Yeah, that one. No, not that one. Data pump dir. Yeah, right click and again right click. Okay, space. You need to specify the what
Table
schemas. Schema
scheme.
schemas is nothing but users. Schema. No. SCMA HMAS yes MAS equals to system dot what the table name EMP. Okay, space dump file DUMP dump file equals to EMP dot DMP. Just give enter once. You can give the log file as well. Log file and log file equals to emp dot log. Okay, give enter. So have you observed here anything? We have not created any directory. Why? Because we are using the same directory which is the default directory. Why? The and system both are the super users, so they can use the default directory. Correct. So yesterday, when I'm trying to do the demo, so it asks it tried error. Why? Because there is no directory was created. So after that, why we created one directory and gave some access to the directory, then only we able to explore using that user. Here we are using the system user, so this is the super user. System are the super users, so they don't need any previous. Because we are having the previous in the backup. So now see here we have taken only from the schema, we have taken only EMP table backup, correct? In the mass partition, what is that one? It is given 6.95 KB and 3 rows exported, correct? Okay. Now this is yeah exported. Yeah. Now I will try to do the import. Okay. Amit, is it fine? Do you have any questions or any doubts in export for now? Don't go in deeper. We have some more options in the export, but we'll see in later. Okay. Correct. I will give you in later also. And one more thing. Now it's a very small data, right? So you are just giving that and that company name, and you are taking the backup. In some cases, you will be having the data in GB. Okay, 100 GB, 500 GB, 400 GB. So at that time, you want to you can run the backup in parallel. Okay, parallel means yeah, it will create multiple processes. There is a one parameter called parallel, PARALLEL. You try here once, just go up and use up arrow. Just rename the emp.log. Emp is there, right? Give emp1 system, not the system one. Table name don't change. Only dump file actual name. Last go dump file name. Dump file is equal to dump emp.dump is there, right? Emp1 and log file also emp.log. Emp1. Okay, come left to before dump file. Okay, before dump file. Other after schema. Okay, space anyway. After EMP, give space PARA LLEL space equals to 2. Not space equals to 2. Okay, give enter. See what happens. Yeah, you see. Instead of telling Huh? How come? Why it is removed? Huh? It should be there. Why it is removed? Actual data on my side. So there are if the database is having 100 GB space is there. Okay. So if you specify parallel to, there are two dump files created. Okay, you just what you give dump file emp1 is there, right? There you just specify percentage emp percentage u. Dump file name is there, right? Dump file name emp1 you given, right? Yeah, there remove one percentage symbol and give u. Okay, just give enter. Actually, it will give multiple files. It should generate, but I think parallel session is removed. I need to check. Generally, what happens? It will create multiple processes. So there are, if you give parallel to, there are two DMP files will be created. So if you are running only one process, it will take, for example, if it is taking 10 minutes to take the backup. Okay, and if you are giving parallel option with two, it will complete in 5 to 6 minutes. So it will decrease the backup time. Yeah, it will reduce by two. But in 21C, it should be, it is there from 10G only. Why it is not working, I am not sure. Okay, let it be. Okay, in the export, I will check that one whether it is duplicate. So going further version by version, so they will do some duplications from some parameters and give some additional parameters that I will check. Okay, and when it comes to export, Amit, mm, okay, why? I will tell you. Good question. So now you have taken the backup, right? So you want to now you have taken the export. Now you want if you want to import, how you will import? Using the dump file, you will import. No, correct, correct, correct. Log file, log file why means now here we are writing. It's a very small data, so in the screen you can see okay these are rows are there. Sometimes in yeah only 3 rows. In the same screen you can see the data. The database having 100 GB or 200 GB, so it will write lots of data that lines with so tables, these many rows like that. The screen will go down. So many lines will be written, right? So you may miss the lines or you can if it you don't know it is completed successfully or not, or if it will give any errors or not. So after the backup, you just go and read that log file. The log file is nothing but to whether the backup is completed or not. That's it. Okay. The log file is used to verify whether the backup is completed successfully or not, or whether it is having any errors in that in errors while taking the backup. That's it only. Yeah, yeah, correct. And Amit, you have any doubts in exporting?
No, I think exporting is very much clear.
Okay. You
Yeah,
will get more understanding. Okay. But tomorrow I will practice with you. Okay. You practice
yes.
it and you will get understand. And we will do the now. What we do, we create one user and we'll try to import the data of that which we have taken the dump. Okay. Sure, sure, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will give. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, definitely, definitely. We'll go more examples and I will tell you what are the options we have here. It will go at least 1 week. This is the and the Arman also will go 1 week. There are so many options will be there. Okay. So that's what yesterday I said. You create again. You do some what you do. You create one table space, add one data file, and create one user, your own user. Not don't use the system one. Okay. Create one user and create some data. Or you know that you can using some for loop commands will be there. You just search in the Google. You can add at a time 1,000 or 10,000 rows for loops. You can find in the Google. Just how to insert 100 lines in a table. Like that, you just search. You will find some syntax. Okay, you just use that one. So the table will insert 100 or 10,000. Whatever, how much you want, you can that data will be loaded instead of writing to every insert command. You do that one. Okay. So with ampersand symbol, but that is also very hard, right? You have to give every time. Yes, but correct, correct, correct. Correct. But you can add one row, only one row at a time, right? Only one row. Yeah, but I am saying that so if you write one for loop, I will at a time you can write some thousands of data so that if you take the backup, you will get more instead of taking only one row, two rows. You won't much it won't be much effective. Okay, okay, and like that you try, and if I found anything, I will send email. Okay. And Amit, you also just get a confirmation and create the table space which yesterday I share you the table space
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the user and you know the scripting not scripting it's a loop command for inserting multiple records at a time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like that you insert some thousands of data in the table so that you can when you do export, so it will give much effective data. Create multiple tables. Not don't create one or two tables. So give at least create at least 5 to 6 tables, and each table insert some thousands of data
Yeah,
so that we will get much effective. So that we can see. Okay,
yes, sure.
and there are some other. I will explain tomorrow. There are some more options are there in the EXP, and we'll practice tomorrow. And later we'll go with the import one. So what we do the export the DMP file, what is the purpose of that file and how we will use it. We'll do the practice session for that also. Okay. I will see you and I will get it done with you people also so that you will get more knowledge and better understanding. And
Yeah,
one thing we can do that we can. I don't think a log file concept is there. You cannot see the log actually. So in the EXPDP, you can see the log also. Correct. So like that, we have some benefits or flexibility with EXPDP. Okay. You have some more options, so we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Amit, is it fine?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. Tomorrow what time?
Okay, go with 11 then. If
Yeah, we'll wind up. We'll connect tomorrow 11 o'clock or quarter to 11.
yeah, okay, I will connect 10:45.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, bye.
okay.